In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the expense report and locate item sales in the reports section. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're on the main dashboard of your account and that the navigation menu is visible on the left. That vertical menu is your hub for everything, and the section we want today is labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on Reports on the left side. This opens the reporting area where different summaries and analytics are grouped together for easy access. Once you're in the Reports section, the page may show a lot of different report types. That's completely normal. Some pages display featured reports at the top and more detailed or specialized ones further down. To reach what we need today, simply scroll all the way down. Scrolling ensures you don't miss any categories that might be tucked below the fold. If you're on a smaller screen, the scroll bar on the right side of your window is your best friend here. Keep going until you see the entry for the expense report. When you see expense report, click on it. This opens a detailed view of your expenses, letting you understand where your spending is going. You'll typically find totals, categories, and individual entries that help you pinpoint trends or unusual charges. Use what you see here to check how costs are distributed across different areas. This is especially helpful for budgeting, auditing, or preparing for monthly reviews. The layout is designed to be straightforward, so take a moment to read the headings and values carefully. If the page includes summaries at the top and detailed items below, start by reviewing the overview, then move to the individual lines for context. After you've reviewed the expense report, go back to the main reports area. You can do this by using your browser's back button or any breadcrumb link at the top of the page that returns you to the broader reports list. Returning to that list is helpful because all related reporting tools live in one place. While you're in the reports section, you can also see the item sales here. This is where you'll find insights into how specific items are performing, such as which products are moving quickly and which might need attention. Even without opening anything else right now, it's good to know that item sales is available right alongside your expense information, so you can compare spending with sales activity in one visit. And that's it. Click Reports on the left, scroll to the bottom, open the expense report, then head back. While you're there, remember that item sales is also visible in the same